all, welcome to Power of Purple Tarot, and a very warm welcome to you, and Happy New Year. And of course, thank you so much for your support on Instagram, on my YouTube, and for the subscriptions, and do keep on subscribing, new viewers. So a lot has been happening around with you people, and on Instagram you must have seen, if you are there with me on Instagram, and then you must be knowing that I have just conducted a poll for you people, so that you can really choose what to I have kept it as a post also, so that you can later come and comment on it. So what kind of readings you need next on my Instagram, so that will be either that was given as what you want to know as your blessings, or what's next new in your love life. So as of now, I've seen the most coming is with the blessings, so I'll be doing that on Instagram, and however, and do the second part later on. But here I'll be doing a love reading for you people, since you've been waiting for a long, and I couldn't come up with one here on YouTube for a long time. So what is happening with this connection? What is the energy of your energy? What is this person's energy? And what is going on? So this is the first pile number 1, or pile A, whatever you call it. I'll timestamp it later, or you can do it all as well. So as of now, your energy, you can see, is the Queen of Cups. So whoever you are, male or female, doesn't matter, because the Queen of Cups is energy. It is all about the energy, okay? You are in a very nurturing mode, very caring, gentle mode, and yet you have a kind of it seems most of you are in separation, or maybe this relationship is in a very stagnant phase, and that is the reason you have a distance from this person. Either you stay where it's a long distance connection, or maybe you are distant from this person, okay? So whatever is the reason, you are still caring about this person, you love this person, you care for this person, you nurture this person, but you don't nurture their habits, their way of doing things, and it's not matching with your vibes, okay? And you have truly uplifted yourself, you have worked on your inner self, and that is the reason you're still the Queen of Cups. You are in this Queen of Cups energy, the Queen energy, okay? So you don't want to take any crap right now at this moment. You nurture them, you love them, but they need to change themselves. So okay, Devil in reverse for their energy. That's good. This person has realized in order to be to be accepted by you, they have to move away from this devil energy, this addictive, toxic behavioral patterns, or whatever they were doing. Either they were attracted to somebody else, or they were ignoring you, they had drinking issues, and any other issues, any smoking, drinking, and drug addictions, and any kind of addictions, any addictive behavior, and any addictive behavior which is toxic. Or maybe they are going through a toxic circle time again and again, and they're not learning from it. So all these things have put them in this energy of this. They were chained to this addictions. So now they want to break the chain, they want to heal themselves. They are looking back what they have done, and they are focusing on what needs to be done. And as of now, in their energy, I feel it's very stagnant kind of an energy, very calm, and they are trying to figure out what is happening, and why I should be changing myself. So that's their part. So what is happening? Next card is Judgment. So what is happening with this person? This person is trying to rise again and be in relationship with you, okay, to come in relationship with you. At the same time, I would like to say, at times, if this person is in connection with somebody else, don't force that person to come with you, because that never force any connection. If it's going to happen normally, let it happen normally. So don't force any connection on you, okay? And if something is happening, it will happen. It's bound to happen. So this person now wants to rise, has felt the spirits have been nudging him to change, him or her to change. Don't take it him as a masculine or feminine, because it's all about energy, and anyone can be going through this circle. Okay, we are all human, and to err is human, and forgive divine. So they are in this judgment energy. So this person now has felt the nudge from the spirit guides. They are now trying to change the pattern they were dealing with. Okay, this, what do they want to do? What do they want to come up with? What do they want to come? Okay, the Six of Wands. They want to be victorious in this connection with you. They want to change things with themselves, but right now they are desiring this connection very much in their heart of hearts. They may not be telling you, but they want to bring a change in this connection. So this connection needs to they are reviewing this connection. Okay, they want they may be coming up with a small, see, it may not be a very big commitment towards you, but maybe a small amount, but small gesture from their side, but whatever it is coming towards you. It's an action towards you. They want victory with you. What is your expectation out of the situation? Sorry, so sorry for the noise that is coming. Sometimes it's my son, and sometimes it's the construction labor working nearby. What is it that's happening with you? Happening with this connection? What is it that is going to happen with this connection? What is it that is happening with this connection? Hermit. So you both need to reflect on what things need to be changed, not only with this case of your partner, with you yourself, what you need to keep with yourself, what you need to hold on to, what you need to leave, how you need to change things, and how you need to work on this. And even if you don't have to work on this, you don't feel the need to work on this, work on yourself. Look within. The answers are lying deep within us. We all know our answers. We all know that. And if you're in separation, totally separated, and you're in pain, then that's my advice to you, that just look deep within. Rest, feel the pain. I do understand. It's not that not feeling the pain makes some sense. No, feel the pain, do the purge, but do realize, learn from the experience, and move on with life. Okay. Those who are completely separated and there's no chance of coming, what's for them? The Tower card. Yes, for some there will be this relationship will come to a dead end, and maybe there will be an epiphany where this person will realize what mistake they have made, and since maybe you people have moved on, I mean the viewer or the person who's cross watching, maybe any one of you has moved on from this connection. This connection is shattered, and that's the reason this is a very big learning from what you need to do. That doesn't mean that you will it's the end of this relationship. It is a learning. This tower is a learning for you people. Okay, this tower is a learning from you people, and big changes are coming for you. Okay, let's see what messages, what guidance do you need to have. Faith. You need to have faith in this connection. You seriously need to have faith in the divine. You need to have faith in the universe. You need to have most important is that you need to have faith in yourself. Okay, faith in yourself first. Faith in the divine first, and then faith in yourself. Things will work out. Work on yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care of your health. Do something that really works for you. Either it's taking up a hobby, taking up a career, do something what makes you feel good. So just cater to your inner child. That's what I'm getting also. Cater to your inner child. Nurture yourself. The spirit guides are there with you, assisting you with your life and things. So if you are in complete separation, this person is separated away from you, there is no hope of coming back. Maybe this person will come back with you with a new commitment for some, and for some a new person is coming towards you. And for some, if you are doing things with yourself, stay in this hermit mode, look for the answers within yourself, have faith in the divine, since your spirit guides and the angels are protecting you and helping you with your life, and things will change. Things are going to change. Okay, so these are the messages that we are having here. So don't fret about anything in life. So learn from what is there coming towards you. Now let's check in few messages from your counterpart, if they have something to say on this. These are channel messages by me. Seriously, do you have the time to turn it out into a deck? So I'll be writing them with my hand. I am sorry. This person wants to say sorry to you for their actions, that they have hurt you. Actually, it's not about you, it's about them. It's them who are confused and have created this confusion. So this sorry is not about you. The sorry is about them, the mistakes they have made. Toxicity, financial issue, codependency, addiction, repetitive cycles. The devil card, you have seen that, so that was affecting this connection, and that's the reason there was financial issues as well. And I love you, stay happy, my love. So they do love you, and they may not be able to come and tell you. Maybe they don't want to come and tell you because of the ego. They have huge ego, I'm hearing. So they're saying, stay happy, my love. So whatever you do, you take care of yourself. That is their message to you, to take care from their higher self, that to do whatever is good for you. Take care of yourself, do something which makes you feel good, and they do love you. They do love you from deep within. So that's it for pile number 1. If you need a personal reading for me, you can always book one and write to me at powerofpurpletarot@gmail.com, and see you in my next video. So for pile number 2. Hi pile number 2, welcome to my reading, and need a personal one. Again, I'm repeating myself like the same old record, that you can write an email to me, powerofpurpletarot@gmail.com, and of course you can join me on Instagram. There are big card reading going on, and the next reading will be what's your blessings coming, and right now this is the love reading for you that you requested for long, and I couldn't do that. So what is going on with your connection? What is happening? So I see the world card. Things are changing for you, a Saturnian cycle. So both of you must be repeating some cycle, and this cycle has moved, and this fate is moving in your favor now, and you have learned the lessons, your karmic lessons, and if you have not, you will be repeating the same for both these energies. I'm getting for both energies, both of you have gone through this cycle. Maybe this is a karmic relationship, and if not, then also it's your karma that was on you. So if you just don't learn from this karmic relationship, then again this circle is going on and on and on. So these are things which affected you long back is going to happen. So learn from your lessons. Yeah, I like my previous pile. You can listen to pile number 1 as well. So my previous pile, I told you that learn from the pain, purge, do understand, but learn from the experience. Don't keep the pain. Okay, that's your energy for both of you. I would like to keep the card here. What is happening with the person? What is your person doing? What is this connection happen? Then we will see the connection. What is your person wants? Okay, Hermit and reverse. Oh my god. This Hermit card popped out in the first pile and now it is in the reverse. So this is your person who is not understanding. I think this person will repeat cycles again if they don't understand the learning, So they need to seek the answers deep within. They need to use their insight, their intellect, their intuition. That is where they have been going wrong. I think this is for your person. You have learned your lessons, those who are listening, and you have learned your lessons. It's the person, your counterpart or your partner, whoever it is, they are not understanding this lesson. What to do about it? So what is going to happen in this relationship? Okay, the Five of Pentacles in reverse, everything is coming in reverse. Good. One way it's good, it's walking away from the relationship. Has maybe one of you has walked away from the relationship, and this has served your purpose. Actually, this walking away is may have made you felt that you're being like robbed of something, like you are being robbed of wealth, as one person feels like when they're robbed of their wealth. So it's kind of a feeling like that. But do not worry, because this has served its purpose in teaching you the lesson, and that's the reason you have leveled up. And this person is still in the reverse hermit mode. This person is still thinking what to do and why it's happening, what to learn and why things are not changing, why things are not going in my way. That's the reason. So what is happening with this connection? What is happening with this connection? Okay. Wow, wonderful. King of Pentacles. This person, after their doing their shadow work is reflecting on their addictive patterns, reflecting on the negative things we all do. We all have the positive and the negative in us. So it's not the person should be like pointed out like that, you are a negative person, I am a positive person. No, we all do have every traits in us. So when we focus on the negative ones and we tend to follow our egotistical mind, there it hurts us, and there it creates all the confusion and chaos, and that really destroys our relationships. Okay, so the King of Pentacles, this person is going to move very slow, very late, but this person will realize the ultimate worth is in the relation in their life, is the relation with you. This is their treasure, and this is how they will be abundant and feel abundant. Okay, they will feel abundant. I think most cases you people have moved away from this person. That's why this person felt this way. It's been robbed off. But they didn't realize it. The realization came when the realization will come. They will feel, and they will come towards you, and they will realize with you they have their ultimate abundance. And in some cases you are the ultimate abundant. You are the abundant person. You are the ultimate abundance yourself. So focus on yourself, focus on your abundance, focus on your happiness, focus on your life. Things will move on, things will change, and definitely you will be living a good life, what you want. So this is all from the tarot. Let's see from the oracles. Let's see what's there from the oracles. So don't worry about anything that bothers you. Just pay attention to the signs and chronicities. Pray to divine. Trust the process of universe, and do have faith in universe, and then have faith in yourself. This is what I've just said in the pile number 1 also. So learn from the pain. Do not keep the pain lingering in your heart. I told you. Fine, it does not work for you. That other thing will work for you. Balance. So you need to seek the balance within you. Keep look through your solar plexus. Focus on your solar plexus, and focus on your solar plexus, on your health, on your heart chakra, and bring balance in your life. Don't focus on a particular thing. Be balanced in every way, be it your relationship or your work or whatever you are dealing with. Okay, so that's your advice. So pile number 2, let's see what's your counterpart's unspoken messages towards you from the handwritten messages by me. Let's see what this person wants to convey to you. Prayer, meditation, need time to heal, send me healing. So this person now feels somewhere that they need some kind of healing. So they are asking you to heal them. So send them healing prayers, and even if they have wronged you, send them your prayers, and good wishes will do good for you. Good things always comes back. Okay, What else? It's no one but you. Yes. I told you the King of Pentacles, when they will realize that you are the ultimate abundance in their life, and with you, they will be the most abundant. They will say, so that they realize it deep within, their higher self knows that it's no one but you. It's the egoistic heart that's stopping them. Will you give me another chance? So some people will bring another chance, ask you for another chance. Yes, you can say yes to it, but do pay attention to the red flags. See if this person has changed or repeating the cyclic patterns. Then you need to move away from this person. And if this person does not want to move away from that and keep on doing their way, it's my way or the highway, I think you need to take a decision. But it's up to you. I won't force you to do anything, neither will tarot. Use this reading as a guidance, okay? My expressions are not so good. Yes, this person is so egoistic that they cannot express themselves, and some people are introverted, so they cannot express themselves. So if you want, you can have a heart-to-heart conversation with this person. Okay, that's it for you, pile number 2. Thank you for joining in. And so pile number 2, I want you all to keep on liking and subscribing my channel and be there with me on Instagram. And if you want a personal reading, yes, you can send me an email. You can just send me a DM. And if you want to give something donations to my channel for the betterment of the channel only, so I can use them in buying the more decks and more crystals and making my sacred space better for you people. And so you can PayPal me, and you can also check my Amazon wish list. Okay, thank you so much for joining in. So pile number 3, this is your reading. Namaste. How are you doing? Pile number 3, Happy New Year. And if pile number 2, sorry if I have not said Happy New Year to you, but I have said it in the beginning. So pile number 3, this is a reading of a love reading. I'll be doing the pick a card reading on Instagram. Soon it will be there, up there, and that will be on the new next blessings for you. So do check in the Instagram and be there, and start adding yourself there also as subscribers, as well as in YouTube. Do like the readings and let me know what resonates. And for now, as of now, this is your love reading. What is this connection, and what is this happening with you? Okay, sorry. It's 3 of Pentacles. It seems this is the energy of your energy. You seem to try to build something with money and with this person, and build a legacy with them, sorry. You want to build a legacy with them. So you're really working hard, digging in. And in some cases, I can see there is a third party situation that is really bothering you. And that is the reason you cannot move towards the person you want. For some of you, what is your counterpart's energy? Partner or counterpart? Knight of Swords. They wants to rush to you. They really want to reach out to you like this, very fiery. So they really want to reach out to you. Sorry. Okay, this connection, the 10 of Cups. So you people want a connection to work for you, and this 10 of Cups energy tells me that you want a perfect family. You feel perfect for each other. This person and you both feel perfect for each other, and you feel that you being in a relationship makes things perfect. Nothing can be perfect like you, and they want a legacy with you. The legacy what came when I was speaking your energy. So this is a perfect picture for you. You're the picture perfect person for you. Couple. You see yourselves as a picture perfect couple. Okay. What if in third party? What will happen? Okay, 4 of Cups reversed. So need to pay attention to things, whether this is going to work out or you need to move out from this relationship. Don't distort anybody's life, even if you love your person. If you love your person, love is always there in your heart. Keep that love within you. But in that case, If that person cannot move away from their family, their partner, they are being committed to, then please don't force. If it's happening, it will happen to you. But don't ignore the other offers that is coming towards you. You're just ignoring and not taking. You're focusing on what you don't have. So that's the reason. That's the energy I'm getting from this card. What's going to happen with the relationship? So see, this is you're waiting for something to happen in your life, in your relationships. With this Two of Wands, you have a strong desire for what is happening in your connection. You want it to work. You really work for you, and yeah. Yes, you're working on a project. You're working on this relationship. Maybe things are going to happen. So it may be a twin flame connection. Although it's not fair to label anything, that this might work out for some of you. This is a past life connection as well. The Six of Cups. And you both are manifesting it. I'm getting this. I have got these extra cards. And you're manifesting a perfect life. Maybe you both, even if you are not in, not in partnership, as in in a contractual partnership. I think the connection between you two is something very beautiful, something very healing, and something to learn from. Okay, so whatever it is, take it as a guidance. And if you want a in-depth reading on this, you can book a personal reading, because this has many messages are coming to me. So this is what I'm drawn to deliver to you. I can't go in depth with everybody's personal thing. Insecurity, yes, this person is this relationship, or maybe in case both of you are feeling deep insecure within your heart. So you need to really work. Your fear is entrapping your heart. So really need to work on your heart chakra. So give up this energy of being in fear. If things does not work out, you have your own life. Sort it out. Things really don't work like that. You will meet another person. Things will happen, or this person can move towards you. But if it's destined for you, right? So don't force a relationship. What's up? Okay. Now let's come to the channel messages. From the person's higher self, do what is good for us. This person is asking if you think that moving away from me is good for us, but do take care of yourself. That is their message. Black magic, maybe there is black magic involved here. I want to trust now. Your heart is so precious. This person understands that you are a very true and honest person. Okay, I love you, stay happy, my love. So this person wants to say that they love you, and you need to stay happy and positive with your feelings. Are you real, or my imagination running wild? So they have never met this intense connection like yours. So they are very overwhelmed with this, and they don't know what to do with it. Childhood wounds, painful memories. That's the reason fear is entrapping their heart, or your heart maybe. So there are deep inner childhood wounds. So you need to work on that. And if you really need to have this learn regarding this, I have a very small reading done on my Instagram, my last post. You can check with that. Okay, that's it for pile number 3. If you want a personal reading, because there are so many messages for so many of you, this is a very heavy reading this for pile number 3. So do understand that that if you need a personal reading, you can come to me. This is all I can give you in a general reading. Thank you so much for subscribing and coming to my channel, and be there with me on Instagram. Take care. Bye bye.